Hi, I just wanted to show you and give you an update on our building of our shed. We got sidetracked due to weather and holidays and everything, but we've gotten back to it. It's finally been at least a little warmer and no rain or snow to keep us from getting outside. So we've actually done quite a few things. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see. So here's the update on our shed. This is the front wall with the opening. We got the header done. It's getting ready to put the siding on it. You can see we finished both sides. And if we go down here, we actually have the back wall done too. So this is all done. And just a word of note, we decided to buy a pneumatic nailer. We had a palm nailer, and while the palm nailer worked, it certainly was much harder, and it took longer to actually get everything nailed together. So with the pneumatic nailer, we were able to finish the back wall, finish this wall here in one afternoon. And then this past weekend, we focused on this header and getting it together, making sure that it's square, because as we all know, the building has to be square. And so we're hoping this coming weekend we can finish up the front wall here, get the panels on it, and then have some friends over to help us stand it up and actually attach the walls to the concrete pad. So it's coming along, and I thought you would like to see what we've done and enjoy.